At his general audience today, Pope Benedict XVI expressed concern for everyone affected by Hurricane Sandy and offered encouragement to all those involved in rebuilding from the disaster.
Conscious of the devastation caused by the hurricane, which recently struck the east coast of the United States of America, I offer my prayers for the victims to express my solidarity with all those engaged in the work of rebuilding.
Nearly 1,000 miles wide, Sandy's strong gales reached to the Great Lakes. It caused at least 55 deaths in 7 states and left more than 8.5 million homes and businesses without power from the Carolinas to Ohio.